Happy Thursday, everybody. It is the last day of February, which is the day that is the leap day. It's really the leap day. It's the cause for leap year. And really, it's actually, I didn't really understand leap year. I don't know why. I never learned it in school or something like that. Maybe I didn't. I just didn't pay attention or missed that day. But so every year, every rotation of the sun around, or the earth around the sun, it actually isn't an even number. It's an odd number. So it's a decimal point. It's like 0.33 or something like that days. And so it adds up over time. And so we have to add that day in to kind of catch up the calendar. Whoever figured that out way back when, kind of smart, but kind of weird too. I don't know. Wonder if that lines up with other calendars like the Aztec calendar and all that kind of stuff. Wonder if they had leap years back then. Anyway, I don't know. Let's jump right into the headlines for the day, shall we? For Thursday. GoPro Go-Kart records the race from every angle using multiple cameras around the vehicle. This would be freaking cool because I almost took Alana's toe off with that one. This would be really cool. I love driving go-karts. You ever go to the go-kart tracks and drive the go-karts around and race your buddies and whatnot? When I was young, I had a go-kart and I drove the heck out of that thing. I love go-karts, but this would be really cool. Cameras all over the place. Actually, the car looked really not like there was cameras all over the place, but it looked cool. So we could find ourselves, we can get GoPro to sponsor us and let me drive around. That'd be kind of fun. Drive around the streets of Modesto, zipping around, get pulled over. That'd be awesome. All right, next up, they lived inside Disneyland. Their house is still at the park today. Well, of course, it's Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Well, where else do you think? Who else do you think lives there? Come on. I mean, Walt Disney, when he was alive, he had an office there above the fire station, but I think he slept there on occasion, but not like Mickey and Minnie do, you know. All right, next up, NASA will retire the ISS, International Space Station, soon. Here's what comes next.
A veritable episode of Pigs in Space! Starring the voracious Captain Link Hogthrob, the gluttonous First Mate Piggy, and the esurient Dr. Julius Strangeport.
Those pigs in space keep showing up. Jeez. All right, it's Thursday, everybody. We've had a great week thus far. Got a couple days left here. Lots of bits in this episode. We got lots of cool stuff coming up. And like I said, Lana and Ray are doing a great job back there, having a ton of fun with these. But Alana, she loves her reaction videos. Now she's a young buck, so she's got a lot fewer years on this planet than myself. And thus, she hasn't seen things like Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, Goonies, and various movies or shows, whatever you want to call them. But she hasn't experienced a lot of other things as well. So she thought, well, this is funny. We'll sit down with Lavelle, who wanted to do some reaction videos, and they're reacting together. And honestly, I'm shocked at what they react to. So here we go, Lavelle and Alana with some reactions to weird stuff.
Hey everybody, it's Lavelle and I'm here with Alana. Oh wait, you're not Alana!
No, I'm not.
Who is this imposter?
It's Christina from Modesto, Texas.
Yes guys, this is Christina, but you guys already know her. But today I'm doing a reaction with Christina. Maybe next week I'll be back doing it with Alana. But we are reacting to more discontinued foods. So let's take a look at the discontinued foods, shall we?
Sure do.
Alright, let's see what the first one is. What is this? How do you pronounce that? Choco tacos. Oh, like ice cream taco.
Yeah, like tacos. Oh, yeah, yummy.
Have you had those?
That I have before. It was so good.
I don't think I've had these.
You never tried them? Oh, you gotta try them.
Well, maybe I would if they were still continued.
Yes.
Should we go to the next one?
Yes, we should.
Alright, let's see what the next one is. Oh, kissables!
Kissables and
These are like rainbow candies.
yeah, I never tried them.
Never tried
I only like the chocolate one better.
Candy coated mini kisses. Those do look yummy.
Oh, they do look yummy to me too.
Next one? Okay. Wait, hold on, what? Mixed salad shakers?
Oh, they're from McDonald's. I mean,
yeah, it says mixed salad shakers. I've never had mixed salad shakers. I'm a picky eater, guys.
I love salad, no me. I just love salads.
I've never tried salad.
Well, it's pretty good for you, you know. You need to try some healthy food instead.
I know that people say vegetables are good for you and it'll help you grow nice and strong.
I know that.
You've never had a salad before?
No.
Someone needs to put a salad in front of you to try. How did you
No
know
way!
in your whole life? Look how old are you?
Just turned 23.
In your 20 years of life, you've never had a salad?
No, I like broccoli though.
That's
But
crazy.
I bet when we were all kids, our parents would force us to eat our vegetables and would say, "You are not leaving this table until you eat all your vegetables."
Oh, that's true.
Because they wanted us to be healthy.
Yep.
Alright, should we go to the next one?
Yes, we should.
What? Oh, Hershey Swoops.
Hershey soup?
I've never heard of that.
Me either.
But it does look delicious.
It does.
Now, do you think you would try it?
I would try it, but
Well, if they were still, if it still existed,
yes.
yeah, I would try it too for sure.
Yep.
But, let's do one more.
Let's do one more.
Oh, McDonald's snack wraps.
I think I might try it, but I tried the KFC one before.
I've never tried those before because I would get my usual at McDonald's.
Yeah, well,
I would get my Happy Meal.
yeah,
Well,
that's true.
And I'm not talking about when I was younger. Well, I did get a Happy Meal when I would get a Happy Meal when I was younger, but I decided I want to go back to getting Happy Meals.
Well, that'd be good. That'd be good to try something new though.
Yeah, I know it's good to try something new, but it may be scary.
Yep. It could be scary.
You never know what will happen.
Yep.
Alright, guys, that's a wrap of the discontinued foods.
You mean that's a snack wrap, right?
Good pun, Alana. Alright, guys, that is a snack wrap that we are reacting to. Stay tuned for more discontinued things next Thursday. Don't know if it will be foods, toys, and maybe next week it will be with Alana this time. Oh yeah, and thank you, Christina, for reacting with me.
You're welcome.
Bye for now.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, it always surprises me the things that they react to. It's like some things I'm not even aware of, like they had Haagen-Dazs a while back, and what was surprising wasn't that the Haagen-Dazs that they were looking at was discontinued. What was surprising is that neither of them knew what Haagen-Dazs ice cream was. That was the freaky part. That's me reacting to them, reacting to the video. Or the thing, whatever. Calamity Cooking right here.
We are cooking egg bites. We're going to do two different kinds. Like I said, we're going to do bacon and we're going to do a vegetable one. Okay, turkey bacon. You can use different veggies that you want. Okay, jalapenos. Just put the two in there and watch your fingers. You can just go down like that and push.
Push hard.
Push hard. There you go. These are 9 eggs in there. She did a little seasoning with garlic powder, garlic salt, and pepper. You want to make sure that you're spraying it so the egg does not stick on it, okay? So you want to preheat your oven to 350. And these only cook for 12 minutes. So this is a really good fast meal if you want. These are one of my favorite things to get at my favorite coffee shop, are these. And protein is always good to have.
Ooh, I love these guys. This is my reason for needing to switch how we do the lives around, because I love this segment. It's been one of my favorites since the very beginning. Now, we've been doing the Calamity Cooking. It wasn't called Calamity Cooking, but we started the cooking on Thursdays 4 years ago now. In March it'll be 4 years. March or April we started doing the cooking. 4 years. It's crazy. So it's near and dear to my heart. It's been a lot of fun, and we're getting a lot more people involved, doing some really cool things. And it bothers me that we got to change how we're doing it, but just YouTube made some changes, so we got to adapt a little bit. So that one is my impetus, my reason for needing to change how we do the YouTube lives. So hang on. Calamity Cooking is not going anywhere for sure, because that one, like I said, near and dear to my heart. But we got to move right along. Did you know with Zach?
Did you know that Abraham Lincoln was a competitive wrestler? It's said that he had 300 victories, and he lost only one time. It's a shame he didn't make it to the WWE. Imagine him and Joe fighting. Who do you think will win?
Oh, that is crazy. I didn't know. I mean, so we should all know that competitive wrestling has been around since the Greeks, because it was one of the original Olympic sports. In fact, if it wasn't the original Olympic sports. So that's interesting. I did not know that, and the pick was a little interesting too. All right, moving right along. It is Thursday. Jumping ahead to Friday. It is Thursday, everybody. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll have the Calamity Cooking coming up. They're going to make something really cool. We'll see that at some point today. Otherwise, as always, just have a great afternoon. We're having a great week. The weather's been, but it's time of year. We need the rain and all that kind of good stuff. So it is what it is. We will be in the spring and the summer soon enough, and I know that the allergies are right around the corner. So I really would just like to leapfrog over the spring, skip the whole allergy thing. I know it's coming, but I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Anyway, have a great Thursday, everybody. See you tomorrow, Friday, on the morning routine.